boy DJ Bolays. I'm back with another video. Today I gotta take the car to the shop. I'm in my hoopty, and me and the hoopty is getting ready. I'm finna hop out the hoopty and jump in the Impala, and my son gonna drive the hoopty. I was just disconnecting the what's your name for him, so he don't have to use that. Just disconnecting that for him, and make sure he's straight. He's straight, and he got to drive with this handicap accessible stuff. That's my job, and that's where I'm at right now. So that's what we're doing. Uh-oh. Y'all all right, you two? I dropped y'all. Hold that for me. All right, get out. Oh, I got to let the seat down. Oh, there you go. Duh. Calm down, legs.
Oh, lock the wheels?
Yep. There you go, shake it. Yeah, so you gotta unscrew that and unscrew that at the bottom down there, and just put them over there in that seat until we get back. Ain't nobody behind me. Watch my back for a minute. In case he come around that corner flying.
Yeah.
You know, I hate getting out on streets.
I don't know.
Alright. Give me that remote control. Over there, things. Let me get up this here right quick. Don't close it all the way. Keep doing it. Oh shit, give me my what's your name, bro?
What?
Coupon.
Gotcha.
Definitely need it. Damage the tire too. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Y'all ain't gonna believe what happened. Goddamn Black Panther was on the flat. Must have rolled over a nail in that damn funky ass garage. And my son over here changing the damn flat. There go my little ugly ass splatter. This is his first time, y'all, so it's a learning experience for him. I'm glad I can give him this moment though. Now he know how to do it with the little ugly ass jack. I hate these jacks, but they do work. Can't say they don't work. You see that mother jacked up. All right, set that on the ground. Set that down. Pull that tire to you. Grab it and pull it to you. Not coming, huh? Okay. Look at me. Take your feet and kick the bottom up real hard. Now with your toe now. Listen. Use the bottom of your heel. Yeah. All right, try to pull it again. It just on that good, that's all. Here it comes. It's coming. Go back and forth, top and back, bottom. It's coming. There you go. Rock it. There you go. Gotta put a little muscle in it. Throw that on in the trunk. Yes, sir. We finna go get him fixed right now. Just push all that other shit out the way and throw it on. You ain't gotta move nothing. Just throw that motherfucker in there, man. It can't hurt nothing in there. Yep. We got good brake pads on there. Good rotors. Y'all see it. And we got brand new studs. Y'all see them brand new studs. They real silver. All right. Just put it on the lugs. Watch your fingers. You almost had it. Now this the part. Watch it. No, listen. Now you just held that tire to take it off. Hold that tire to put it on the same way. There you go. And watch what you're doing. Twist a little bit. There you go. There you go. Almost. Try to get that top one first. Always try to get that top one. There you go. There you go. God damn it, he got it, y'all. Damn it, he got it. Okay, we got 12% left on this battery, so. Push. Just put it on. There you go. You can let it go now. Let it go. Don't worry about it. Ain't going nowhere. Twist. That's good enough. Grab another one. Push the bottom in. Put it on that bottom one. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Good. Grab another one. Now twist that top one that you first put on all the way in. All the way. Now go back to that bottom one. Go back to that other one. You want them to go on there even. All right, cool. Now grab the last two. You got 10% battery left. We're going to get this motherfucker on there. We're going to let it play all the way out. Y'all see him, YouTube. My son first tire change. And he's doing a damn good job. Now, what he did say, I think I done got him spoiled, me and his mama. Because he said, can we call AAA? Yeah, we can call AAA. But AAA gonna take all day. They gonna take all day to get here. We can do this shit ourselves within 25, 30 minutes tops. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You want me to put my foot on it? Hold on.
Now, just turn it tight as you can get it with your hand first. Yep. See? Go through them all again. Yep, he getting it, y'all. Okay. All right.
That's it. That's it.
All right, now put this on here and start letting it down. Remember how you got to do that now. You got to go in and out, so.
No.
Right. So you got to turn towards the back way this time. And my little regular ass chair just broke. Look, it's on the ground. So much for goddamn it, good chair. Yep, it's going down. God damn it. Where we been out here? 15 minutes, 20?
Yeah.
And you got it changed. So once you get it down and start touching the ground, that's when we're gonna put that umph on it and make sure they all the way tight.
Okay.
Till we get to the damn tie shop. Yes, sir. Brando's, that's what we're gonna call this video. Brandon's first tire change. That's what we're gonna call this video, I promise you. We gotta make a thumbnail. We gotta make a thumbnail when we get in front of the goddamn tie shop where we're gonna get it fixed at. Me and you standing there with that broke ass tire looking sad. We have to make us a thumbnail like, I'm gonna call the flat. Was it hard? It's not that hard, is it?
Nah, just swing.
It's just the initial point of it. It pisses you off.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. It's on the ground, right? The tire.
Oh, the tire? Yeah.
All right. Go tighten the tire up. Stand up. You got to stand up. Okay. Oh, you can do it. Sit down. On one knee. Go right here. Twist it all the way around until you get all the way tight with your hand. That's good. That's good. Do each one of them like that. Start at the top. Start at the top. Take it back out. Take it back out. All the way to the top and go all the way down. Good. Start at the top and go down. All right. All the way up. All the way up. There you go. There you go. All right. Do that last. Do the one. That one and the one after that one more time. All right, cool, cool, cool. That's good, that's good. Good, good. All right, throw that motherfucker in the trunk. Throw this in the trunk with it, because you got to put it back where it came from. Remember where that came from? Hey, y'all, that's it. Oh, wait, no. I forgot you got to take the rest of the jack down. Duh. I'm trying to get the hell out of here, y'all. But we'll see y'all when we get to the damn tie shop. Peace.